Hello, welcome to Zen and the Art of Cooking. I'm thinking of renaming the channel since I'm doing a food show without any food in it, since nobody can see any of the food due to my bad camera equipment. You may notice I look a little different today. That's because I'm trying something else. And I managed to duct tape a couple of boxes together to get me a different camera angle. So, what do we got? Well, oh my goodness. After days of eating far too much dead animal, I am thrilled to get back to something vegetarian. Oh heavens. So, pan, hot olive oil, a little salt, little pepper, and some diced onions. Yes, I can see that I look a little different, although the lighting's still terrible. Maybe an umbrella? I don't know. Oh my heavens, someone likes me. We'll have to let that go for the moment. It is most likely a telemarketer. So, why am I cooking the onions on camera when I usually take my time with them and cook them? Because we are having them very quickly. Yeah, that's so exciting, isn't it? So the onions are cooking in a little olive oil, salt, pepper, and I don't want them to be too mild. I want them to be sharp because I'm making a very sharply flavored dish. So a little garlic, about 2 cloves of nicely chopped garlic. Oh, looky there. You can almost, oh, you can see it. The new camera's a hit. Now, if you're an expert on garlic, you know that that small dice means that it's not going to be sauteed very long because it would burn and be awful. The joy of making soup is that I can allow the onions to mellow in the broth while still maintaining their sharpness and characteristics. Okay, this is delightfully starting to say hi to us. Yes, I know, watching some old guy cook onions. That's what you got a computer for. Now let's throw in 1 full jalapeno, properly sliced and diced, with seeds and veins. Yes, and we are making spicy food today. Spicy, spicy. Yes, definitely wash your hands after handling jalapenos. Especially when you haven't sliced one properly. Oh, there we are. So, onions, garlic, jalapenos, salt, pepper, olive oil. Some really exciting guy stirring it up in a pan. So, a little ground coriander. Feel free to use fresh cilantro if you'd prefer. clumsy person with a lid to a jar of cumin with the world's most annoying pouring spout. So, cumin, coriander, can of diced tomatoes. These are fire roasted as well, which will definitely add a deeper flavor to a dish with very little in it. One can of drained but not rinsed black beans. And yes, we have to help it, come out of there with a little chicken stock. And a spoon. Stir, 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 chicken stock and the canned beans. I will not be joining you today. Sorry, I have to work tonight. So, 2 cans. One of fire roasted tomatoes, one of black beans, some garlic, some onions, some jalapeno, some cumin, some coriander. And you get to watch the old guy stir some more. Okay. Magic taste. Raw as can be, but very good. Bay leaf. Let that blossom in the stock. Let's give that a little more chicken stock for good luck. But before I do, I want to show it to you and see how my new camera is working out. Oh, that is a very nice pan of beans. So, a little more chicken stock. Submerge the bay leaf to get the maximum flavor. And that's it. I'm going to cover that, let that cook, and then we'll have dinner. This is one of those prime examples of, yes, dinner is that easy. A couple of cans, a box of stock, an onion, some garlic, a couple of spices, dinner. So that's it. Thank you. I'm the Awful Chef. Please remember to subscribe, and I encourage you to try some of these recipes. These are very good. And I encourage you to